Hello and welcome to another video on what is Shopify. So in today's video, I'm going to keep focusing on social channels integrations in sales channels. But before that, I just want to make a quick recap of what is Shopify. That after all, Shopify is an e-commerce according from their blog post. What is Shopify and how does it work in 2023? So Shopify is a complete e-commerce solution platform that allows merchants to turn their ideas into business and start selling. Period. So the whole point of this platform, okay, is that allows merchants to uh, decide several sales channels that they can go with, and you can think of Shopify as a set of layers according to this, right? Where the first layer is the Shopify core products and service. So what it does is to reduce the complexity of having a commerce, whether it is the product, product management, inventory management, payment processors, as well as shipping. So this first layer, once you buy a Shopify plan, include is things like yeah include sorry include things like oh okay, so templates to improve the look and feel of your online stores, as well as selling tools so you can start selling across different sales channels or in person. Okay, whether it is or sell places, different sales channels and sell places like the web, mobile, in person, brick and mortar locations, pop-up stores, and channels such as the social media accounts or social media networks or digital marketplace, as well as comes with integration payment processors, a checkout that allows you to make the user conversions fast and secure, and SEO and marketing tools so you can keep track of how your users are interacting with your stores. And the second layer is the Shopify additional product and service. So once you started to gain traction in your business, uh, and as your business grow, your needs evolves too. So they give you things like accessing to capital, such as the Shopify Capital, so where they can fund business that meets certain quality criteria, and as well provide is a accelerating payment process. And the third layer is where we are right now, or where I am right now here with app built by trust partners. So much like the Google has the Play Store and Apple the App Store, the Apple Store. So Shopify has its own store that thousands of features that can go with the store, so you can customize, so merchants can customize without ever touching the code. So anything that you can dream for that, there is a feature and application. So from the new or from the latest SMA app to the new hottest social media platform at school. And also, if you want to uh, find other Shopify experts you can go with, all right? So, why Shopify? So, Shopify it supports a huge e-commerce community that span over 175 countries. However, there are fewer countries you can receive payment, which after all, that's the whole idea and whole business of this. Okay, supported countries for Shopify payments is way more less than that. Okay, so Shopify empowers creativity by allowing you to customize your stores whatever you wanted, as well as growth tools. It absorbs unnecessary complexity by have by scaling your business, uh, and growth tools, as well as the commerce operations, as I mentioned before, products management, inventory management, as well as the payment processors and or the uh, shipping. And Shopify is built to scale with your business. So that's great. And also Shopify charge per transaction fee and monthly plan. Okay. So Shopify charge per transaction fees and monthly plan. So Etsy, unlike Etsy, which is another competitor, so it charge multiple fees per sales and for listing items. So it's funny because Shopify charge per transaction fees, okay, or per transaction fees, and a monthly plan. So Shopify is great for retail sellers that have an established customer base. So okay, so once you understand even the business model of that and the pricings, then I look at the Shopify features. So the first, so it can be uh, boiled down to the merchants, the customers, and the business. So when it comes to merchants, you have things like Storefront that allows you to deliver a unique buyer experience. So you increase sales, boost loyalty, while allow you to customize your storefront. So it provides new ways to sell that delight customers. So it also some talk about things like touch points. So touch points are any place of interaction with your brand or uh, any place of interaction with your brand. Whereas sales channels, according to interaction-design.org, so sales channels are planned points of interaction. Okay, so that's great. That's completely great because with that mindset, we can something talk. We can let it on talk about the sales channel. Okay, and what are the things that offer this storefront? Allow you to create custom websites, integrate commerce in your mobile apps, whether it's Android or iPhones, as well as integrate shopping moments in your games where your already audience where your audience is already engaged using the Unity SDK, or something important here, or use storefront APIs to have use a storefront API to have full control, to have full creative control for any purchase experience on any platform. And this is something very, very important. There's key concept here. So storefront APIs allow you to have full creative control for any purchase experience on any platform. So Storefront API, full creative control of the purchase experience on any platform. So purchase experience are online shopping, in-store retail. So anytime you get into a store and the way how that is organized, is more uh, it is more it's more obvious when you go to a big wholesale e-commerce or a big brand e-commerce, whether it's Walmart, Granger, Uline, Target, you name it, right? It's more obvious to that. So online shopping, in-store retails, uh, restaurants and cafes, car dealerships, electronic stores, grocery shopping, travel booking. So this is different uh, example of purchase experience. So online shopping, in-store retail, cafes and restaurants, electronic stores, car dealerships, and travel booking, grocery shopping. Okay, so this is one of the features that allow storefronts. Makes sense completely. And then I look at the second feature, which is social channels integrations and sales channels, like this. So these social channels integrations and sales channels, okay, so it allows you to promote and sell your products, physical or digital, across different social media networks in a centralized place. Across different social media networks, okay, or marketplace in a centralized place. Shopify. So here is when it comes at like the sales channel. Again, I'm talking about here is the social channel integrations and the sales channels. So these social channels integrations uh, is well, Shopify provide is all of these plugins that allows you to promote and sell your products, whether it's digital or physical, across different social media networks or marketplace. So this sells these different places where you can sell or promote, where you can promote and sell your products, whether it's sell channels. Where now here these sell channels is there are different avenues in which your business sells products or service to consumers in a planned way. Okay, so social channels and unlike touch points, as we mentioned, are places of interaction with your brand. So, for example, when I look here at the graph or this pictogram or this draw from or this image from the interaction design.org, well, he describing is a different touch point of customer, whether right now, whether it's web, mobile, print, other service, products, marketing, and people. Okay, whereas this sales channel is once the user, once the consumer interact, once the people interact with your touch points, now you can create these sales channels, which are planned ways of interactions. So these sales channels, as I mentioned before, there are different avenues of there are different avenues in which your business can sell product and service to customers in a planned way. So you have is social networks, social media, whether it's Facebook, TikTok, Instagram, YouTube. Actually, they don't use uh, Facebook for that because their demographic in there is like they include that because this is part of the um, Facebook family products, right? So they have Facebook and Instagram, right? Uh, as well as TikTok and YouTube. So finding shoppers, grow your brand's audience, and build customer loyalty with social selling. So this is one place. Okay? This is one sales channel. Social media. This is one avenue that your business can promote and sell product and service to customers in a planned way. Okay, so the other avenue or sales channel is digital marketplace or online marketplace. So sell where people search, like Google, or uh, get your brand in one of the largest retail platforms. So with that understanding of all of these things, that slowly makes sense. All right. Uh, then I look at the next feature, which is Shop app. Okay, which is Shop app. Which is Shop app. All right, which is Shop app. Okay. Which is Shop app. So you got Storefront and social channels integration like this, and the next topic here is Shop app. Okay, so Shop app. Now remove this Google and Walmart here. So Shop app. Okay. So Shop app make it easy for your customers to quickly check out, track order, and shipping details. Shop app is a digital shop assistant. It's a digital shop assistant. A brand new way to shop. Okay, it's a digital shop assistant. Discover the world's greatest brand. Love what you find, always relevant. Find what you love, always convenient. Always rewarding. Earn shop cash when you pay. Earn 1% shop cash every time you check out with Shop Pay. Spend in the Shop app and boost it with offers. Get the app with 500K 5-star review. Okay, so because I don't want to dive deep into this section, okay, so you can download that. But the whole point of this Shop app is to make it easy for your customers. Exactly. Is to make it easy for your customer to quickly check out, track order, and shipping details. So Shop app is a digital shop assistant for customers. Okay. All right. So with that, okay, that'll be all for this video. Take care. Bye bye.